Hello, this is a video tour of number 59 Hollie Lucas Road. The house is semi-detached and offers 3 bedrooms. Leading to the property there is a tarmac laid driveway with borders to sides. You'll note that on the left there is a good sized planted border with a variety of plants. From the driveway there is access into the garage on the right, and there is also the main entrance door with a canopy over, and the door ahead does provide access into the hallway. In the hallway there are 2 ceiling light points. There is a radiator, wood effect flooring. The staircase on the right leads to the bedrooms and the bathroom, and there is also an obscured window to the front, storage cupboards with the meters inside. So from the hallway, the door at the rear leads into the kitchen, and on the left there is a door into the through lounge. Providing a living and dining space, the room has a bay window overlooking the drive and foregarden. The dining area is at the rear with views over into the good sized rear garden. There are 2 ceiling light points, 2 radiators, parquet, wood flooring, and there is a gas fire. The sizes of this room and all of the rooms are available on our sales particulars. So you have got the view into the garden from this window here, and we'll look at the garden a little later on. In the kitchen there is a window to the rear. There are 3 ceiling light points, wood effect flooring, and a kitchen comprising base units, wall units, work surfaces. There are drawers and cupboards. Below the window is a 1.5 bowl sink with a mixer tap over and a drainer unit. There is space for a range style cooker with a cooker hood over, a feature vertical column style radiator, and there is a matching radiator in the dining area. In the corner cupboard ahead is a concealed boiler. There is also an integrated dishwasher and a fridge freezer. From the kitchen there is access into an understair pantry. In the pantry there is a wall mounted light, an obscured window to the side, and shelving and wood effect flooring. Also from the kitchen there is access into the garage. In the garage there are ceiling light points, vinyl flooring, an up and over door to the front, and that leads directly onto the driveway. At the rear of the garage there is a door leading into the garden, and on the left here there is an outbuilding with shelving and plumbing and space for a washing machine and a tumble dryer. And on the right there is a ground floor WC, and there is a corner mounted wash hand basin. First floor of the house is approached by the entrance hall with a staircase leading to a landing area where there is a window to the side, a ceiling light point, access to the loft, and there are doors to bedrooms 1 to 3 and the bathroom. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the house. In here there is a window overlooking the drive, a ceiling light point and a radiator below the window. Bedroom number 2 is at the rear of the house. In here there is a window overlooking the rear garden. There is a ceiling light point, radiator as well. Bedroom number 3 is at the front of the house. Larger than many single bedrooms in the area, this room has a window to the front, ceiling light point, radiator, and there is also access to an overstair storage cupboard as well. Lastly, the family bathroom has an obscure window to the rear, ceiling light point. The walls are mainly tiled and the floors are laid with wood effect flooring. There is a low-level flush WC, wall-mounted hand basin with a mixer tap over and a storage drawer. There is a heated towel rail. There is a recess on the left of the WC with shelving. And there is a bath with a mixer tap, glass screen and shower over. The rear garden can be accessed via the garage and initially comprises of a large paved seating area. From the seating area there is a step up on the right with a summer house and a border to the right hand side of that. On the left there is an initial lawn area with planted borders. From the initial garden area there are steps up leading to a good sized lawn where there are feature raised planters and borders on both sides of the garden area. At the rear of the garden there is a pathway leading to a picket fence, behind which on the left there are vegetable patches and fruit trees. On the right the current owners do have a chicken coop, and at the rear of the garden there is a shed on the left hand side and there is storage space on the right. Now that does conclude the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to seeing you soon.